March into success. Enroll in our care certificate and manual handling course today. Welcome to a new month. Hello, everyone, and happy new month. March is here, bringing with it endless opportunities for growth, learning, and success. As we step into this new chapter, I want to ask you, what are your plans for the month ahead? Are you gearing up to learn new skills, explore new horizons, or perhaps add a certification to your repertoire? Here at First Skills Academy, we believe in empowering individuals like you to reach your full potential. Whether you're looking to kickstart a new career or enhance your existing skills, our comprehensive 4 days of live physical training program is designed to equip you with the knowledge and expertise you need to succeed. Featuring our renowned care certificate and manual handling courses, our program prioritizes safety, excellence, and practical learning. With this, you'll not only gain invaluable insights, but also earn your manual handling certificate, setting you apart in today's competitive job market. And here's a sneak peek into the training program. Our course covers 17 subjects required to qualify for a care certificate, including dementia awareness, dignity and privacy, duty of care, emergency first aid at work, online annual refresher, equality, diversity, and discrimination, handling information in a care setting, health and safety in a care setting, infection control, learning disability awareness, mental health awareness, nutrition and hydration, person-centered care, principles of communication, safeguarding adults, safeguarding children, understanding your role in care, your personal development. So, what are you waiting for? Make this month count. Enroll in our care certificate and manual handling course today, and let's march into success together. Stay tuned for more details on how you can join us on this transformative journey. To enroll in the training, head over to our website, link in the description of this video, and sign up now. Here's to a month filled with growth, achievement, and endless possibilities. Let's make it happen. See you on the path to success.